What's up guys, welcome back to another video. I trust that you guys are all safe and dry. This video is post Hurricane Beryl, alright? And we're at Sandown Palms just to see how this development held up during the hurricane just yesterday. And I'm just going to give you guys a drone shot. From what I'm seeing on the outside, there's no major damage. As a matter of fact, there's no damage at all. Separate and apart from one little section of a gutter that I saw that came down. But that is simple fix. But we're going to give it this drone shot. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Remember to like this video. Remember to share. Remember to leave your comments. Alright guys. And we're just going to jump right into the shot. So here what? Enjoy this drone shot. And I'll give you my feedback afterwards. So catch you guys on the other side. Yes guys, so there we have it. Another drone shot at Sandown Palm. Thank you guys so much for making ChriSamz your stop for your property tours and update. As you can see, the development held up pretty well. I don't think you guys saw any noticeable damage to this property. Remember, it's new construction. This property was done with concrete blocks and the roofs are very secure. So here what? Continue guys to make your investment into these properties. Continue to stick around to this channel for your property tours and updates, and we'll continue to give you guys the best. So wish you guys all the best. Continue to keep safe in these weathers. We have other systems out there, so continue to stay dry, continue to stay healthy, protect yourself and your family, protect your properties and your investment, and we will catch you guys in another video. So it's peace out from ChriSamz. Take care.